How to redeem or use one for all gift card. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you redeem or use one for all gift card. So let's get started on this process. Firstly, you have to open any browser on your system. So right now I'm opening the Chrome browser. Okay, so after you open the browser in your system, you'll got such interface. So from here in the search field, you'll have to type for oneforall.com. So after you type this, hit the enter button. Alright, so after you come on the official website of One for All, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to choose one gift card from here. So I will choose this one, and after you choose one, you'll have to click on this send now option. So simply click on it. Alright, so now to send this gift card, you have to add this gift card to your card. So simply click on this add to cart option. Alright, so now after here to proceed, you'll have to go with the option proceed to checkout. So simply click on it, and now from here you'll have to check out using your account. So you can use your email address and password. So right now I have not created any email account for this One for All, so I will not be able to log in and continue the payments. So in your case, you might have the account and the credential to proceed to checkout. So from there you will be able to send the gift card with the credential of your credit card or debit card, and from there you will be able to send this gift card to your friends with the shipping locations. So this is the easiest and simplest method to redeem or send One for All gift card. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.